This is my 1995 Honda Del Sol. It is my current project car that I need to finish before the summer. My current plan is to strip the entire car, find all of the rust that's hiding underneath all of these sneaky panels, and get ready to paint the car and put the engine back in. And you might be wondering, Benzie, where is the engine? Well, I just sent it off to a machine shop to get redone, redecked, and honed, and all that good stuff. So all I can do right now is set up this car for success, which means taking every single piece of this car that doesn't need to be on here off. Let's get started. First off, I want to take out this carpet that's in here because it's all ripped and old, and I also have a better OEM carpet that's in my parts car. Now, I do need to stain that carpet before I put it back in, but I might as well take the old one out so I can also look for rust in the meantime. Okay, so I have to take out this centerpiece right here in order to get to this thingy right here. So, do that real quick. If they don't break it, but, oh, freak. That one's out. Somehow, that didn't break. I kinda wanna take these out too, because I'm gonna be replacing them with the black ones. So, wow, that's really easy. Wait, where are the speakers at? Is there a speaker delete that I don't know about? Bruh, they took out the speaker over there. So you're telling me I was missing a speaker there, and that's why it's so quiet? What the frick, guys? Gotta love pull-out tabs. Sheesh. Really scared that there's rust under here, but we'll see. Guys, this isn't good. Oh, this isn't good. It looks so bad. I just got the seatbelts out. I took a peek. Oh, it hurts my soul. Oh, that rust. Oh, I don't know how bad that is. I can't tell yet. Oh, but underneath, oh no, oh no. I might have to cut out this entire floor. All right. Disgusting trash carpet is out. An old battery that is just cooked. Okay, well, that side looks a lot better, as you can see, but so much rust right here. Oh, guys, I was worried about that. Okay, well, I'm gonna vacuum all this up, give it a good clean, and come back to it. Oh, this is so much worse than I thought it was gonna be. Oh, dear.
This car is in rough shape, and if you are at all interested to see how it looks in the end, make sure to subscribe so you see all my future videos, and give this video a like to push it on the algorithm. Now, let's deal with this rust.
Okay, so hear me out. My thought process is check what's good on the spare Sol, the spare Del Sol, on the parts Del Sol, and see what I can replace from that car, or take what I can take from that car onto this one. There's a lot of parts that are OEM that need to be replaced, but I don't know if I can get those parts. And I might just have to take advantage of the fact that I have an entire car just waiting for me to use. So instead of trying to make do with this car alone. So the only reason I was worried about taking parts off that car is to resell it, but I might just have to sell it as a shell. Let's take off the top of this car and see what we're working with. Wow, it's bright today, which is good. It actually seems pretty dry in here, which is good. Wait, does it have a manual steering rack? Oh, wait, this might be a score. So this car has a lot of good OEM parts, and I'm really going to take advantage of the fact that I have all these at my disposal to make one really good Del Sol. Hopefully I can sell all the parts I don't need off of this one and make back some more money for my turbo build. But I actually have a lot more hope now, because it would have been really bad if all of those parts were rusted, because I have no other way of getting parts besides going to junkyards. And if you go to your local pick and pull or your local junkyard, try finding a Del Sol. Impossible. I'm very glad I got this Del Sol for so cheap. Definitely a blessing from God. Yeah, let's get to pulling this crap. This thing's so heavy, dude. Goodness gracious. Oh my gosh, guys, this carpet, so much better condition. I have an extra engine mount in here, dude. This thing is gold. What are you doing out, Goat? How do you get out? You were with the alpacas, bro. You gonna help me? All right, moment of truth. Get this nice carpet out. Okay, well, we did it. I'm sweating like a pig. That only took me 10 minutes. Now, it looks a little dirty, but the thing is, it's actually pretty good condition. I'm gonna restain it, put some backing on it, and it'll be good as new. And it's gonna save me like $200, so. Okay, here's the big difference. This tub looks perfect. Zero rust. I actually cannot find any on either side. The passenger actually looks worse than. It looks dirty, but other than that, this might be an opportunity to cut out the tub. I'm not sure yet. Okay guys, I'm not gonna lie, I had to lock in there. It's been a couple of hours and I've gotten both sets of seals off of the car and on the actual Del Sol. This is the parts Del Sol right here. I took off both visors, got all the visors off because I'm gonna do something with that later. Just basically looking for any pieces that I really need off of this car. Looking like I'm gonna take these striker plates off just because mine were really screwed up. So actually that's what I'm gonna do next, snag these striker plates. Also, I'm going to watch some YouTube videos on how to treat these seals to keep them nice and rubbery. Yeah, I'll see you in a second. All right, running out of camera battery, but I got this bucket of water, or a trash bin of water and soap, and I'm just gonna clean up these seals real nice so that they can be put on the good Del Sol. Here we go. Oh, another thing I wanted to show you guys is the speakers that I pulled out of the parts Del Sol. They had some nice speakers. I don't know if they're off-brand. The ones in mine were Pioneer speakers, but they looked a little older, and also it was missing one in the back. So I got a full set of a full set of new speakers. There's already one of those speakers in that door. That's why there's only 3. I have all of the seal parts right here, interior parts. These are still all engine parts. But yeah, next order of business is going to be getting this target top apart and the other target top and putting the good parts together to make one really good target top with good seals. Then next order of business is to fix whatever the frick this is and fix that and all this crap. So I'm gonna need my dad for that last part. I'll catch you in a bit. Bro, everyone's trying to help me with the build, bro. Say what's up, chicken. Bro doesn't want a wrench? That sucks for him. All right, guys, I have stripped all of these sail panels right here so that I can clean it off and clear out these drain holes that are plugged. I have the seals off. It looks pretty rough right now, but I'm gonna clean those up, those edges. Got the seals off on this side too. Cleaning them up really quick. I've got these 2 very rare pieces of seal right here. I'm wondering if I can just dump these in like silicone and like fix them, make them OEM, you know? If not, I'm not really tripping about it, but yeah, this thing is looking good. A few more steps until it's really good, but it's getting there, honestly. I'm not worried about it. This car is so old, so it's like any steps I take to make this thing a little better, yeah, it's gonna work out good. Another great thing is I believe my parts car has a manual steering rack, which is something I was going to buy anyway, so that saves me $100. If you want to look, there it is down there. I don't know if you can see it, but I am 85% sure that is a manual steering rack. The goat is so hungry, he's eating thistles right now. So, try to get my dad to feed him. But yeah, I have a lot I can sell on this car. And a lot I can use. Like this rubber piece down here. I can put that on my car. because it's OEM and it's not even torn. So, man, it's like everything that's bad on the parts car is good on my car, and everything that's good on the parts car is bad on my car. So it's like, it's literally a perfect match to make one nice Del Sol. So I'm really happy about it. All right, well, I think that's going to be it for this video. I got a lot done. Yeah, this is stressful. I have a lot to do on this build. I have the seals right here curing. I just got them in Shin-Etsu. But yeah, when you see me next, I'm going to be painting this car. So appreciate you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for all the new subscribers that have joined us. I want to be the fastest growing Del Sol YouTuber that there is. But yeah, this build is going to be sick. I'm really excited. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.